Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday yet again, and today's video we're going to go ahead and install some new fabric on the door panels. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get this video going. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is open your door and get your tools ready. Now you would think you would have to take off this door panel. You don't. I pulled this off already to look. I thought this insert popped off or screwed off or bolted off in the back. It does not. This is simply just glued into this crevice or this molding portion they make. So all we have to do is take this off, remove the old foam slash like glue slash whatever's here, and then we use this as a template and we can make the new one. Okay, so this is what I'm using here. We have some 3M headliner adhesive on the left. In the middle, you have a roller, and then on the right, you have some black suede. So let's go ahead and take off the old fabric. So here we go. Now I'm just going along the edges because I don't want to rip all the foam off. I just want the fabric. There you go. It's removed. Here's all the little foam on the back. Well, it didn't rip, or ripped too much, I should say. So I want to take the rest of this off with some adhesive remover and kind of go from there. That way we have a clean surface at this point. Okay, that's about as good as I'm possibly going to get without damaging the plastic. I was using some Goof Gone, but I think I started damaging the plastic, so I stopped it there. Pretty smooth. It's just, I think the plastic is a little porous. So there's that. So now I have the suede over here on the table, and there is our template. So we're going to cut this out. Let's see what we can do with it. Okay, so now we have a rough cut for what we need. Put this here. That looks like we have this. So obviously they're not going to be perfect right now. I need to fine tune the new piece. There we go. I think this is about as good as it's going to get with this particular piece of suede. I think to make it better, I'd have to take it off and redo it. But I still like it. I still think it looks very nice. I just got suede now. And camera, it looks more purple, but it is a black suede. I just think the lighting is what throws it all off. There we go. So after a little bit of finesse, you'll walk with that, or walk away with that. And like this here. It's not perfect. I could always improve, but that's just my take on how you would do it. I'm sure there's easier ways. Obviously the shears would help. If you had like a laser cutting machine, you know, it definitely would help. If I do change the fabric later down I'll go with a purple suede to match the rest of what we're doing soon. Well, there we go. We got the suede installed on the door panels, and just like that, you have a new look, and it wasn't too hard to install. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a like, leave any comments or feedback or suggestions for other videos, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider it. I'm working towards my goal of 500 subscribers by the end of the year, and I think we could definitely get there with all the support and love you guys do provide. Thanks again, guys, for your time. Thank you for watching the video, and have yourself a great day. See you next week.